Hello, here's your beautiful, lovely Waltham watch with the fancy dial. And the person who purchased this was able to show them the original picture of this watch. Everything that you see is the way it came. Didn't look like this. And everything is original. The movement, everything, except for I changed the hands. So it had the Victorian gold, I'm going to say foo-foo hands. They're beautiful. And so we're going to send those hands along with this watch, because if they get a desire to have the hands changed, they have the original hands. So Waltham, fancy dial. And if you see it in person, those numbers are almost like a purple. Beautiful watch. So let's go ahead and go with the care and winding for your watch. And this is not a modern watch, so we're going to do things a little bit differently. Is not waterproof, not water resistant, so you don't want to wear it out in the rain or get it near running water. That's the main thing. And I also want to mention for care that when you do winding your watch and setting the hands or that type of thing where you're doing that, do it over your lap or over a tabletop or somewhere where if you lose it, it won't drop all the way to the floor and won't break the watch. So let's go with that's right, waterproof everything. And the other thing, this I was going to show you. Hold on, I didn't plan for this, and I've done this on other watches. So when your watch starts to look a little dull, and after you're wearing it for a while, especially on these gold cases like this, the gold filled cases, then get yourself a little polishing cloth. I'm getting there. And has the little rouge on one side and then a little polishing cloth on the other. And when it gets dingy, just take it with the red side. It's a rouge cloth. You can buy them on Amazon. And just everything. Don't rub it on the watch band, but rub it on everything. This is what I'll do before I put it in the box. One more time. And just do everything. And then get yourself clean cloth, and polish it. There you go. Be gentle. You don't have to be rough. So we do that, and that keeps everything nice and clean looking, shiny when it starts to look dull to you. So let's, there we go. And let's go and wind and set the hands now. So winding a little bit different. We're not going to go back and forth because it's not a modern watch. So we're not doing this. We're just going to go in one direction, okay? Clockwise direction until it's tight. And I think this will take a full wind. Yeah. So a little slight pressure in on the crown. And just do this till it gets tight. And you'll know when it's tight. And there we go. No more. So we have a fully wound watch, which gives you 24 hours of power to the watch. And it will run for that long. And you can see the second stand down there moving. And so we have a running watch. So let's set the hands. So instead of a pull on the crown like this, I'm going to do a little pinch behind the crown. To pull it out, I'll push it back in. It's out. Push it in again. And just pinch it out. Like that. And then when you set the hands, you should go in the forward direction or clockwise. Don't whip the hands around. There we go. 1 o'clock. Set the time, push in the crown, and you are good to go. Enjoy your watch, and thank you.